Hey everyone, welcome back to the layout. For today's video, I've got a new locomotive, new rolling stock, and plenty of new scenery additions to show you. Let's get right into it. As you can see, I finally got a large enough grass mat to fit the whole 4x8 table. Now that I have that, I can put down the road and some styrene sheets made to look like pavers. These will be the perfect foundation for the two new Woodland Scenics built-ups I bought. Here we have the department store. In the middle is the general store that I've had for a little bit now, and then on the far end is the corner emporium that I just got. Here I'm placing some shrubs and hedgerows from JTT Scenery. I want to pick up a couple more of these Woodland Scenics buildings to extend down the road. For now though, it's just these three. I think that looks pretty good. Now it's time to just clean up the rest of the layout. As for the rolling stock, I got lucky and found this Proto 2000 GM&O Mather stock car for $7 at an antique mall. Also, I found a Yardmaster by Branchline nickel plate boxcar for $8. Not bad for only spending $15. Next, I recently won a 3-pack of Atlas hoppers at auction for only $35. I thought I did pretty good there. Now for the big one. This is a Broadway Limited Imports Brass Hybrid 282 Mikado C&O. You may have already seen a couple clips, both on the YouTube Shorts and on TikTok. And you already know I had to get that JT Megasteam vanilla scented. Lastly, I received my 2 6-packs of Broadway Limited ARA 4-bay hoppers. Now, the detail on these are incredible. I like them a lot. However, the couplers raise some concerns. They barely latch onto each other and separate even on level and straight track. I had a great amount of frustration trying to film the next couple of clips. Additionally, upon unpackaging them, I noticed these pieces from the underside of a couple of the hoppers loose in the box. We'll just blame that on the ridiculously hot weather my area has been having though. Regardless, these are great for expanding your fleet of coal hoppers. Being able to get 12 of these, all different road numbers, made things a lot easier. Anyways, enough of my yapping. Let's run some trains.